Stopgap F78 is a one-component, ready-to-use system which dries rapidly to provide a waterproof surface membrane. It impedes the passage of residual construction moisture and therefore allows earlier installation of floor coverings in fast-track building programs. Stopgap F78 must be applied in 2 coats and is pigmented blue to allow the user to visually control coverage uniformity. It can isolate residual construction moisture where relative humidity values are up to 95%. Shake the bottle to mix the contents prior to use. To apply the first coat, pour the material onto the suitably prepared subfloor. Then roll using a pre-coated roller. Roll the material in one direction, ensuring that the material is worked well into the substrate. When the first coat is touch dry, which is approximately 15 to 30 minutes at 20 degrees C, apply the second coat at right angles to the first. It is essential that a pinhole-free coating is achieved and that the recommended coverage rate is maintained throughout the 2-coat application. When applied to very absorbent surfaces, the membrane can be absorbed into the surface, leaving a subdued shine. In such instances, a further application may be required.